Let's learn ABC with Bacho ki Duniya.
Hello kids, let's sing and learn the
A for apple, all red and round, crunchy fruit that can be found. B for ball, bounce, 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 rolling fast across the ground. C for cat, jump, meow, meow sound, walking softly all around. D for dog, hat, run so fast, wagging tail and fun that lasts. E for elephant, big and strong, spraying water all day long.
F for fish, swims in the sea, splash and sparkle, happy and free.
G for goat, munching hay. H for hen, cluck all day.
J for yug, full of juice. K for kite, fly up loose.
L for lion doe, king so proud, roaring loudly, strong and loud.
M for monkey, jumps with glee. N for nest, up on the tree. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for parrot, talks all night. Q to Z, come sing